good. In this video, I will be showing you how to download an MP4 of your Canva presentation. For example, you can see that I am creating a presentation right here. Now, once you have created your presentation, all you'll need to do is tap on Present in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you have three different options on how you can present it. Let's say, for example, I would like to present and record. So I'll select that option, then tap on Next. Then I'm going to tap on Go to Recording Studio. From here, I could choose to enable the camera. I can also choose the audio device that I'd like to use. Once you have done that, you can tap on Start Recording. After you have selected Start Recording, you can follow through with your presentation. As you can see right here, by simply tapping on the arrow, you can follow through with your presentation. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on End Recording. After you have tapped on End Recording, now to download an MP4 of your presentation, all you'll need to do is tap on Download right here. After tapping on Download, you can see that an MP4 video is being downloaded, and that is our presentation video. Once it has been downloaded, from there you'll be able to share it with anyone. You can also edit it if you want in the future. So for example, you can see right here, if I were to tap on it, this is it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.